Hello, good morning, and welcome back to another episode of 10 a.m. Tea with Natalie. I hope that your Wednesday is off to a wonderful start. I'm back to talk about exercise, and I actually just finished, I think like 35 minutes on the elliptical today. I'm really into the rolling hills mode where it keeps like changing your intensity and stuff like that. I don't know, that's just my favorite cardio to do. Hi Scott, thanks for checking in today. So I'm tuning in again to talk to you guys about the benefits of exercise so that we can really get into why it's so important that we, take care of our hearts and take care of our lungs and take care of our muscles in different ways here. So another benefit is brain health and memory. Increasing your exercise level, increasing your heart rate, increases the blood circulation to your brain. And when you increase the blood circulation to your brain, wonderful things happen to your brain tissue. So it improves your ability to remember things. So this was something that I used a lot when I was a student. I would walk and go through my flashcards at the same time I would walk to class and kind of be going through my flashcards. And that would really help that information soak in because your memory is enhanced when you're getting a lot of exercise. It also slows brain damage related to Alzheimer's and dementia and different brain disorders in that aspect. It also benefits the hippocampus, which is where memory happens. So it's really, really wonderful to increase the blood and oxygen supply to your brain. It makes your brain work better. It also benefits relaxation and sleep. And so I commonly recommend to my patients who have sleeping difficulties that they really need to be getting 10,000 steps a day. It's really that exercise that helps them to be able to be more restful. It's benefiting your relaxation because when you're exercising, you're burning off your stress. You're also depleting your overall body's energy, so you should be experiencing fatigue, which would make it easier to fall asleep. So it's kind of like a win-win in that aspect because it's our monkey minds that keep us up at night worrying about crap. And if you're burning off that stress with exercise, you're not going to have that kind of an issue. And then you're also going to be, more tired to actually fall asleep. It also benefits sleep quality by enhancing your ability to get deep sleep, which is really, really helpful, especially for patients that feel like they can fall asleep okay, but they have a hard time staying asleep and that they're really light sleepers. Exercise is a really wonderful treatment for that. Exercise is also really beneficial for chronic pain. And so pain is caused by stagnation in Chinese medicine. And so if I can move the stagnation in treatment, patients feel better. You can also manually move stagnation. And this is kind of mechanically with massage and different things on the tissues there, but also physically moving the body causes the energy to move and releases stagnation. So exercise is really helpful for patients with chronic pain just to keep things circulating and moving. They say, a rolling stone gathers no moss. So being more active is going to slow the issues related to aging. You either use it or you lose it. So definitely use it. It's a lot easier to maintain good muscle tone, good metabolism than it is to try to build it from the bottom up. So it's really important to keep that in the back of your mind, especially, if you think it's hard to work out now, imagine how much harder it's going to be if you haven't done it for 10 years and you're like 100 pounds overweight. Right? All right. Another benefit of increased blood flow related to exercise is a benefit to your libido. And so increasing blood circulation in the entire body is definitely going to benefit the genital area because it's part of the body that's attached there. It also increases sensation and desire. The better things are circulating in the system, the better every organ system is going to be doing there. So it also benefits hormone aspects for women, especially in regards to PMS and difficult periods and stuff. Just keeping your body moving keeps the uterus moving. And when we're seeing a lot of cramping and clots, that's the blood in the uterus not moving very well. So the more that you can kind of take care of yourself and keep your body moving and keep everything in harmony, the whole system sees a benefit there. It also can reduce erectile dysfunction and increase orgasms. So it's kind of like, why not live your best life in every aspect and, go for a walk? Hello. Another couple of really important benefits to mention too are also that exercise is a really healthy outlet for negative emotions. Okay, anger and frustration, betrayal, injustice, all these things, you can really use them as fuel for your workout. And it's much better to be dealing with your negative emotions in a healthy way than to be kind of processing them in a negative way, which could be kind of being short with people and yelling at your partner and, being an aggressive driver and different things. It's a lot better for the whole world if you're able to use your negative emotions in a constructive way. And exercise can definitely be helpful for kind of burning off that emotional energy so that your logical mind can check back in and you can make more clear decisions. Because when you're thinking better and your brain's working more clearly and you're well rested, you're going to have a better overall experience. So it's kind of like, exercise is a way to approach a lot of different crap going wrong in your system, with one simple technique. And last but not least, exercise reduces your risk for cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, uterine cancer. The more that you're taking care of your body, the more that you're circulating your immune system by being active, the better your immune system does at catching things that are wrong, which includes cancer. So this is something to just kind of keep in the back of your mind. If you have a family history of things not going well there, you should definitely be making sure that you're taking care of your health and wellness and being active. There's not an excuse for that. There's not a replacement for it. You just have to suck it up and do it and find something that you freaking like. So we're going to talk a lot more about the different ways that you can exercise, the different approaches for exercise, how to come up with a personalized exercise plan just for you so that you can take care of yourself as best as you possibly can. And why not get it all for free from me, right? Because I love you and I want you to have an awesome life. So with that, make sure that you check back in again tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern for 10 a.m. Tea with Natalie here on Facebook Live. If you haven't yet, definitely sign up for the newsletter on the left-hand side of the business page here on Facebook. You can just click newsletter sign up. It'll open up a little pop-up window, throw your email in there. And then every Monday, you will get the latest 10 a.m. tea updates from the previous week. So you never have to miss out on anything. Right to your email inbox. So simple. Okay, so have an awesome day, drink a glass of water, and come back again tomorrow where I'm going to start breaking down exactly what is exercise so that you can really come up with some awesome ideas to incorporate it into your own lifestyle. So take care, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.